In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Hello Kitty in an easy and quick way, showing everything step by step, so come with me. Let's start by drawing the eyes. Next, the nose. And we can draw the chin. Next, one little hand. And the other little hand. We can already do the body. Let's draw the collar. Now the sleeves. Then the feet. And let's draw the legs. And the lines of the shorts. We can make the buttons. Now comes the bow on the head. Now the rest of the bow. Next, the face. Now comes the ear. And the other ear. We can draw the fur. And now we can color it in. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.